Good morning to all. Welcome to General Knowledge class. This video for class 3, lesson 21, My New Names. Introduction. In India, many traditional place names were changed during British rule, as well as during the earlier Muslim conquests. Since the British withdrew from India in 1947, names of many cities, streets, places, and buildings throughout India have been changed. Certain traditional names that have not been changed, however, continue to be popular. Do you know, children, many cities throughout India have been renamed. Let's see the renamed cities and write the new name of the following cities. Here you can see the slide of Calcutta. The new name of Calcutta is Kolkata. Children, do you know what is the spelling of Kolkata? Kolkata. Kolkata. Before 2001, the city was officially called Calcutta, the anglicized version of its name. Here we look at the political and cultural context surrounding the renaming of one of India's largest cities. The first reason why Calcutta changed its name to Kolkata, because the city has always been pronounced Kolkata by Bengalis. It was also felt that the anglicized version was simply outdated. Now we are going to discuss about the city of Banaras. The new name of Banaras is Varanasi. Spelling Varanasi. Varanasi. Let's see why Banaras was renamed as a Varanasi. The official name of Varanasi is not a modern name. It is possibly based on the fact that it lies between where the Varuna river to the north and the river Asi to the south flow into the river Ganga. The name Varanasi was spelt Banarasi in Pali, which ultimately gave birth to the name Banaras. This slide you can see the city of Cochin. The new name of Cochin is Kochi. Spelling Kochi. Kochi. Children, do you know why was Cochin renamed as a Kochi? Kochi was the original name. The British didn't find that comfortable and they changed it to Cochin because it wasn't spelt in English before they came. Kochi is part of the district to Ernakulam in the state of Kerala. Here you can see Bombay. The new name of Bombay is Mumbai. Why did they rename Bombay to Mumbai? The city's official name changed to Mumbai from Bombay happened when regional political party Shiva Sena came into power in 1995. The Shiva Sena saw Bombay as a legacy of British colonialism and wanted the city's name reflect its Maratha heritage. Hence renaming it to pay tribute to the goddess Mumbadevi. In 1995, Bombay officially became Mumbai. It is the picture of Trivandrum. The new name of Trivandrum is Thiruvananthapuram. Spelling of Thiruvananthapuram: THIRUVANANTHAPURAM. Thiruvananthapuram. Let's see, why did Trivandrum is renamed as Thiruvananthapuram? The word Thiruvananthapuram is derived from the Malayalam word Thiru Ananthapuram, which means city of Lord Ananda. During the British period, the new name of the city was anglicized to Trivandrum, and it was the official name of the city until 1991. When the government decided to change the city's name back to the original name Thiruvananthapuram in all languages. Here you can see the picture of Madras. The new name of Madras is Chennai. Why was Madras renamed? British military map makers believed Madras was originally Mundiraj, which was the name of the Telugu community. Mundiraj, who were the native inhabitants of the city. In 1996, the government of Tamil Nadu officially changed the name from Madras to Chennai. Let's see about the city of Calicut. The new name of Calicut is Kozhikode. Spelling KOZHIKODE, Kozhikode. The port city Calicut was where Vasco da Gama stepped on Indian soil for the first time. It adopted its Malayalam name Kozhikode, which is a combination of Kovil meaning palace and Kota meaning fort. Let's see the last slide. It is the slide of Bangalore. The new name of Bangalore is Bangalore. Spelling BENGALURU, Bangalore. Bangalore was a part of the forest which went on to develop over time and its name. Bandakaluru was shortened to Bengaluru and anglicized into Bangalore. Let's revise. What is the new name of Calcutta? Answer is Kolkata. The new name of Calcutta is Kolkata. Second one. What is the new name of Banaras? The new name of Banaras is Varanasi. Third. What is the new name of Cochin? The new name of Cochin is Kochi. Fourth one. What is the new name of Bombay? The new name of Bombay is Mumbai. Fifth one. What is the new name of Trivandrum? The new name of Trivandrum is Thiruvananthapuram. Sixth one. What is the new name of Madras? The new name of Madras is Chennai. Next. What is the new name of Calicut? The new name of Calicut is Kozhikode. Last one. What is the new name of Bangalore? The new name of Bangalore is Bengaluru. Thank you.